Central problem of an economy introduction, why choices matter. Imagine you're planning a family budget. You've got 10,000 rupees, but you need groceries, pay bills, save, and maybe even buy a gift. But 10,000 rupees won't cover it all. This is not just your problem, it's every economy's problem.
Scarcity forces us to choose. And choosing means giving up something. That's the very starting point of economics, figuring out how to best use limited resources.
What to produce, setting priorities. So the first big question is what to produce. Should a country focus on more food or more luxury goods? Basic education or elite universities? Medicines or military? India, after independence, had to make these tough calls, focusing on agriculture, industry, and infrastructure over luxury and imports. This choice reflects a nation's values, needs, and goals. How to produce. The method matters. The second question, how to produce. Say we want more electricity. Do we burn coal, build solar panels, or import oil? Do we create more jobs using manual labor, or choose automation to boost speed? In developing countries like India, labor is abundant, so choosing labor-intensive methods can also reduce unemployment. For whom to produce. Equity versus efficiency. Now the most debated question, for whom to produce? Who gets access to what we produce? Should everyone get equal access to food, education, and healthcare? Or should resources go to those who can pay more? India's policies often aim for inclusive growth, providing free school education, affordable food, and minimum wages to reduce inequality. Opportunity cost. The real cost of every choice. Every time we make a choice, we give up something else. That's called opportunity cost, the value of the next best alternative. Example, if a village spends money on a new road, it might delay building a school. In economics, there's no free lunch. Every decision comes with a trade-off. So choosing one priority means sacrificing another, and that cost must be considered in every decision-making process. Summary: why these problems matter. To sum up, every economy, rich or poor, must answer three central questions: what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce. These questions arise from scarcity and guide how resources are allocated. And behind every policy, every budget, every reform, these decisions are at work. Understanding these basic economic problems helps you decode how a country grows, plans, and evolves.